Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Sign, symptoms and uses of home remedy. Anacardium. Full name Anacardium orientale. Common name marking nut. Short name Anacardium. Source Husk of marking nut. Vegetable world. Pathogenesis. It is mainly used in cases of neurosyphilis producing brain fag. It also acts on nerves producing a condition known as nervous dyspepsia. Relation with eaten cold, neither chilly nor hot. Constitution, physical makeup, pale face with blue ring around eyes. Temperament, highly irritable. Miasm, Psora and Syphilis in the background. Journals of Anacardium. Journals means generalities, rather mental and physical generalities Anacardium jointly. Fixed ideas. Think they are possessed of two wills, illusion of duality. The patient of Anacardium feels that there are two personalities in him. Someone instructing him do something, the other one something else. These two personality and they are contrasting. They feel that these two are within the body of the patient. Think others present behind him, though actually there is none. Ladies think their husbands are not theirs, their children are not theirs. There is no reality in anything, all appears like a dream. Apprehends troubles from everything. Talk nonsense, scream loudly as if calling somebody. Religious mania, melancholic, ill-natured, absent-minded, weak memory. Clairaudient. Clairaudient is a special term, means the person who hears voices of the dead or far off persons, hears voices from far away and of the deads. Suddenly forgets everything, names of them around, what they have seen, everything is forgotten. Aversion to work, lack of self-confidence. Desire to swear and curse. Suicidal tendency by shooting. Fear of paralysis, hard-hearted, cruel, unsocial, neurotic, suspicious. Despair of recovery, very easily offended. Senile dementia. Senile means old age, dementia is loss of memory. Contradictory impulses. Laugh at serious things, remain serious over laughable matters. Cowardly attitude, vacillating moods, refuse to eat anything for fear of being poisoned. This is a special thing. An Anacardium patient thinks that someone will poison him. Better by eating, lying on side, rubbing, heat or in the sun. Worse, mental exertion, emotions, anger, fright, care, mortification, stepping hard. Motions, drafts, open air, cold, long after eating, rubbing, scratching, talking, morning, evening to midnight, checked eruptions and strong meals. These are all conditions for getting worse, and these are all conditions getting better, feeling by the patient. Overall, general thing. Mental exertion means when he performs mental exertion, he or she feel that she is worse in condition. This is general things. Head symptom from Anacardium. Vertigo worse from walking and rising from stooping. Objects seem too distant. Pressing pain as from a plug. This sensation of plug inside is a Anacardium characteristic feature. It will be there if the patient needs Anacardium. If he needs or she needs Anacardium, then this symptom must be there. Sensation of a plug within, in the temple or in occiput or forehead or vertex. Feeling better during meal. Falling asleep. Worse from coughing and deep breathing. Itching and little boils on scalp. Gastric and nervous headache. Headache from strong smells. Eye symptoms of Anacardium. Pressing pain as of a plug in upper orbit. That sensation of plug. Threads and black spots. threads and black spot. Before eyes, objects appear too far. Vision is indistinct. Short-sightedness. Ear symptoms of anacardium. Hard of hearing. Pressing pains as of a plague. Imagine whispers in the ear. The patient feels that someone is whispering into his or her ear. This is he imagine or she imagines. No symptoms of anacardium. Sense of smell perverted. Sense of smell perverted. Lost or acute. Illusory smells. Illusory means is getting smell of which there is no existence. Nobody can feel that smell, but he is feeling or he is feeling. Frequent sneezing followed by coryza and lacrimation. Violent coryza with palpitation, especially in the aged. Face symptoms of anacardium: pale, wan looking, blue ring around eyes, eczema of face and neck, eczema of the face. Expressionless, childish or wild. Mouth symptoms of anacardium: bad breath and taste, painful, vesicles in the mouth, tongue feels swollen stiff, impeding speech and motion of mouth, much saliva in the mouth, taste lost. Stomach symptoms from anacardium: empty feeling in the stomach, weak digestion, breath stops on eating and drinking, gastric pain better by eating but worse again after 2-3 hours. Drink hastily, swallow food. Vomiting relieves. Loss of appetite alternating with violent hunger. Abdomen symptoms of anacardium: pain as if a dull plug were pressed into intestine, that plugging sensation. Hardness of abdomen, flatulent colic with rumbling, pinching and griping. Rectum feels and plugged and powerless. Cannot evacuate even a soft stool. Ineffectual desire, itching of anus, moisture from rectum. Male symptoms of anacardium: voluptuous itching of scrotum, exciting sexual desire, seminal emissions without dreams, prostatic discharge during stool, no enjoyment is sex. No enjoyment of sex. The person is performing sex but there is no enjoyment. Female symptoms of anacardium: leukorrhea with itching and excoriation of the parts, frequent but scanty menses, with spasmodic pain in abdomen, nausea during pregnancy, better from eating. Respiratory symptoms of anacardium: breathing stops on coughing or swallowing, cough excited by talking after eating, with vomiting of foods and pain in the occiput, in children after a fit of temper. Cough, then yawn and sleep. Hysterical asthma. Asthma, there are so many asthmas. One is hysterical asthma, that is the patient, the original pathology of asthma is not there. It is asthma from hysterical condition. Ends in flow of tears. This asthma finishes with flow of tears. This is abdominal discomfort of the anacardium patient. Heart symptoms of anacardium: double stitch at the heart. This is the image of heart. The feeling of double stitch within, passing into lumbar region, that sensation. Palpitations of coryza, palpitations with coryza of the aged. Neck and back symptoms of anacardium: dull pressure as of a heavy load in the shoulder, stiffness of neck and nape. Nape is a particular portion of neck. Nape is a particular portion of neck around C3, C4 area is called nape of the neck. Neck is from C1 to C7. C means cervical vertebra. Down, back and pain, worse motion. Extremity symptoms of anacardium: neuralgia of thumb, knees feel paralyzed or bandaged, tie hands, cramp in the calves, worse walking or rising from a seat, pain in ankle as if sprained, worse from stepping, pain thumping in the middle upper left arm, thumping painful sensation in the middle of upper arm left, cramp from toe to instep, from heel up cramp, warts on hands and palm, warts on palms, writer's cramp, Sleep symptom of anacardium: spells of sleeplessness lasting for several nights, anxious dreams. Skin symptoms of anacardium: skin insensible, itching, worse on scratching. Dermatitis, neurotic eczema. Neurotic eczema from nervous cause, not from other skin infection. Yellow vesicles, warts on palms and hands, urticaria. Already urticaria is given and warts has already been explained. Expulsion of splinters promotes, that is it anacardium promotes expulsion of splinter from the skin. Fever symptoms of anacardium: easily chilled, better from sunshine, clammy sweat left palm. Heat from 4 p.m. till evening. Heat from 4 p.m. till evening, passing off after supper. That is, this heat passes off. Related medicine: ignatia, lycopodium, platina, and rustux. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got any problem regarding discussion, please report in the comment section. I would certainly attend. Thanks.